Hi, it's time to cook again. Today we're going to make something that's delicious, healthy, easy, and a little bit spicy. We're going to make cauliflower buffalo bites, or buffalo cauliflower bites, however you want to say it. Anyway, this is very easy, and we love it as a snack watching football games, which we may or may not be able to do this year. And since we can't go to the movie theaters, we eat a lot of this in front of the TV watching movies. So I hope you enjoy this. Okay, first we start with a head of cauliflower, and what I've done is take the florets off. The really large ones I've cut. The more bite-sized ones I leave whole. One easy way to do this is to put this into a Ziploc bag, or you can put it in a bowl. Put your cauliflower in a Ziploc bag, then we're going to mix together the sauce. I love buffalo chicken and all that sort of thing, anything spicy, so this is good for us. I'm starting with a half a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. That's what we use. If you have a different favorite hot sauce, go for it. 1 tablespoon of melted butter. That in there. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. Put that in there. Mix it up. This is easy, isn't it? Okay, mix it up, and then we're going to pour it into the bag with the cauliflower. You can just throw the bag away, you don't have to wash. Okay, seal it up really good. And then we're just going to mix it around until all the cauliflower is coated well. Now in the meantime, I've heated my oven to 450. It needs to be a nice hot oven. Okay, just keep mixing it till you get all of the hot sauce mixed in there. Okay. Now, I've taken a cookie sheet and I've sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. We're going to pour the cauliflower on there. Not complicated yet, is it? Okay. Spread it out so it's, even, not piled on top of each other. And that's all there is to it. We're going to cook this at 450 for about 20 minutes. And then we'll be ready to eat. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, and here is our wonderful cauliflower, buffalo cauliflower. I just put a few pieces on my plate. It is hot. You can eat it right by itself. You can dip it into ranch dressing or into blue cheese dressing. This happens to be some of my homemade blue cheese dressing, so I'm going to try that. I lost it. It's good with a very cold beer or any kind of cold drink, whatever your favorite drink is. But it's healthy, it's easy, it's delicious, and I hope you like spicy. Here we go. So good. I hope you try it. Thanks for joining me.